Hey everyone, Biculus here. Today I'm going to show you how to do some basic editing on a program called Microsoft ClipChamp. It is completely free. This is how I made all my intros, my outros, all the editing for my videos. So as you can see, you can either import your own media or you can go to the basic templates that they have. They have YouTube, Instagram, intro and outro, gaming, corporate templates, slideshows, celebration, birthday, text overlays, Minecraft, TikTok, social media ads, Facebook ads, social handlines. Let's see, we got wedding, layout, sales, marketing, video memes, quotes, real estate. Basically, you can pick any theme or template that you guys like. There's text, you can drop text, and there's transitions like colors, cross blurs, fade, titles, content library. You can do music, backgrounds, all the fun stuff. So for this video, we're just going to do basic editing. So we're just going to click on YouTube. And let's see, let's just find a basic one. It gives you a little preview when you hover over it. Like here we go. This is called YouTube Lifestyle Vlog Outro. So we're going to hit Use Template. All right. So I'm going to not use the music that it comes with. Of course, it comes with music, but for the sake of the video, I am not using the music because I'm going to add my own music, but just let it import. And then once it imports, you should be able to press play so you can see your example, your preview. Once it loads, obviously, you can see your preview. I will be back once it's done importing. Alright, we are back and our template has loaded, so this is what it looks like. Alright, so now that we got our template, we can change around whatever you like. So if you want to click on the background, you could click Effects. And you can add your own effect to it. So let's let the effects load. Alright, so here's some effects you can do. Like there's a flash, it'll flash the screen. There's a VHS if you want it to look like old school like that. That's how it would look. This is how it looks with VHS. You can rotate. Alright, so you can rotate it. So it will look like this. You could do that. Or you can, like, if you go to the subscribe here, you can adjust the colors. Alright, so you can make the temperature a bit higher or darker. You can make the blend mode like a screen or an overlay, so it looks like that. We're going to overlay it. Adjust the contrast and the exposure so you can see it better. Effects, you can do different effects with this too. Like you can do like a spin. You can make it spin like this. Or you can do like you could do a zoom like that. Or you could do like a vaporwave and it like changes color. See, there's a vaporwave right there. You could do a bunch of them. Like we could do animation like that. And then you could change the thanks for watching. All you want to do is go to text. You can change it whatever you want. Like here we could write video. And you could change the color of the text as well. Just do shadow color. Let's just make the text pink. Like that. You could do the text color like purple, so it looks like that. You could change the font, so let's do like this font, or we could do this font. And you can adjust the color of the background as well. You just want to do blend mode. You could do overlay, darken, normal, lighten. I like the overlay. So we could adjust the temperature, the saturation, make it high. The contrast, we can make it low or high. Exposure, you can make it low. You could do filters. So right now it's orange and teal. Filters kind of like changes the color. They have a lot of free ones, but if you have premium, you could do like retro. But like here's bold and blue. Or you could do like golden hour, there's vibrant blogger, there's contrast, there's a bunch of different colors that you can do. Once it loads, I can show you guys the different colors. Alright, so here we go. There's orange and teal, there's golden hour. Oh, hold on. Yeah, there's the background. You could fade it in like that. You could change the color. Like I said, the filters, you could go to here. There's golden hour. You could do like deep fried. There's that one. You could do pink and purple, blue and pink like this. So it would look like this. So there we go. And then we could add another effect. Yeah, we could do like a comic book. So that looks awesome. We can make it look like that. There's a bunch you could do, like a kaleidoscope, so it looks like that. Alright, so now what you could do is you could go to your media. You can import any picture that you like, which I will grab a few photos and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got some photos. I got my Roblox avatar right here. Whoops, oh my goodness. What is going on here? Okay. So there's my Roblox avatars. We got to like fix why he's so faded out. Oh, it's whatever. Oh, I see. Okay. All right. So we can move. Well, if we don't move the whole video. All right. We can like we could do like a crash zoom like this, where I'm right here in the corner. We could do like super zoom. Let's see what we could put them in the intro like this, or we could do like a vaporwave, or we could do like here we go, comic, retro graphics. We could do vertical. We can change the color plate to like paint. So it looks like that, which is pretty cool. And then we can do like, we can add this to the timeline. There's this was my old YouTube icon over here. We could put this in the video. All right, so now that it's right there, we can do color shift. It'll change color. We could do a vertical like that. We could do a radical, so it looks like that. Another kaleidoscope, or we could do like a green screen effect, crash zoom, vaporwave. You could do multiple. Make it spin, flash, so it'll look like that. And yeah, then now we can add our audio. So let me grab the audio and I'll be right back. All right, so now that we got our audio, here's the full video. Will you play it again? So as you can see, that's the video we just created. Obviously, you could do a full screen preview as well. So we can rewind it. Now it is going to be laggy when you do the preview, but if you go ahead and do export, so we can export it, you could do either 4K or you could do 4K, you could do high quality or smaller file. So for the video, we're just going to do the small file. We're going to hit export, and I'll show you guys how it looks once we are done. So let it go ahead and export. And of course, it's going to show a little preview. So this is a video we just made with the basic editing. So you can choose several options. You can either upload to LinkedIn, you can save it to Dropbox, send it to TikTok, automatically upload to YouTube, or save to your Google Drive, or save it to your computer. So let it go ahead and load. Now that our video is ready, we can save it to our computer. So let me go ahead and bring up the video project. So let's get it brought up. All right, here it is. As you can see, the quality is pretty good. So we can rewind it again. So that is our intro that we just made. So yeah, that is how you do some basic editing on Microsoft ClipChamp. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. And yeah, that's how you use Microsoft ClipChamp. We'll go ahead and play the full video one more time, just so you guys can see a full preview.